In this video, you can learn subtle difference in how people say that third person present perfect. Like it has come, it's given. It may seem very simple, and of course it is a simple thing to learn, but to store that strongly in your memory, we are going to see some phrases. The train has left. You could say train போயிடுச்சு or போயிடுத்து. You'll hear both and you can say anything you want. You can also say train கிளம்பிடுச்சு or கிளம்பிடுத்து, also meaning it has left. Train is an English word that is commonly used. Train போயிடுச்சு, train போயிடுத்து. For train, the Tamil word is rail vandi. It is not so much used these days, but you can use it if you wish. It's good to know, however, and sometimes I hear people also using it. Right, I shall use it hereafter. She or he gave a ring as a gift. எனக்கு ஒரு மோதிரம் gift-ஆ கொடுத்துச்சு. Gift is the English word. And when you say கொடுத்துச்சு or கொடுத்தது, it can be it, he or she. You can learn it in the lesson, one of the recent videos where I explained it. But a dog or a cat cannot present you with a ring. Therefore, it has to be she or he. And you have to understand as per the context. எனக்கு ஒரு மோதிரம் gift-ஆ கொடுத்துச்சு or கொடுத்தது. எனக்கு ஒரு மோதிரம் gift-ஆ கொடுத்துச்சு, கொடுத்தது. And for gift you can use the word அன்பளிப்பு or பரிசு. பரிசு means prize and அன்பளிப்பு is the most appropriate word. எனக்கு ஒரு மோதிரம் gift-ஆ கொடுத்துச்சு. Oh, this is interesting. I actually overheard this from a lady lamenting to her husband. This is in the wake of several lockdowns due to which they couldn't travel anywhere. Always sitting at home, work from home. Look how their life was before the corona. What is this? Our life has become so like this. என்னங்க நம்ம வாழ்க்கை இப்படி ஆயிடுச்சு or ஆயிடுத்து. Here it is about the situation. என்னங்க நம்ம வாழ்க்கை இப்படி ஆயிடுத்து. என்னங்க நம்ம வாழ்க்கை இப்படி ஆயிடுத்து. என்னங்க நம்ம வாழ்க்கை இப்படி ஆயிடுத்து. என்னங்க நம்ம வாழ்க்கை இப்படி ஆயிடுச்சு. That is the kind of tone, as I say, the music of the language. With a little bit of frustration, also a kind of jocularly she is saying that. I got so angry as soon as I told it. Here we are not clear who is angry and who told what. It is just a statement. சொன்ன உடனே மூக்கு மேலே கோபம் வந்துடுது or வந்துடுச்சு. சொன்ன உடனே மூக்கு மேலே கோபம் வந்துடுது or வந்துடுச்சு. This is another interesting idiom for you to learn. மூக்கு மேலே கோபம் means to become angry or furious just like that. It is no gradual build-up of anger but sudden anger. Some people have that in them. சொன்ன உடனே மூக்கு மேலே கோபம் வந்துடுச்சு, வந்துடுது. சொன்ன உடனே மூக்கு மேலே கோபம் வந்துடுது. You will hear both கோபம் and கோபம். This is a little different. போச்சு means went and not has gone. Has gone we would say போயிடுச்சு or போயிடுத்து, and போச்சு is went. So do not confuse these two. Just now a bus went by. இப்பதான் ஒரு பஸ் போச்சு. இப்பதான் ஒரு பஸ் போச்சு. Some people also say pondu. That is just a sloppy form of ponadu, which is the formal Tamil. But you're going to learn formal Tamil soon as you get a little more control of spoken Tamil so that it becomes easy. That is how native speakers learn formal Tamil, from spoken Tamil and then to formal, which is an easy one and a logical one too. இப்பதான் ஒரு பஸ் போச்சு. இப்பதான் ஒரு பஸ் போச்சு. I hope you enjoyed this video, learned a few things, and for you to refresh anything that you learned, the best way for you to do that is go to Instagram, because I'll be uploading or posting these exact things in Instagram also every other day, or almost every day. I'm doing it nowadays. So when you see that again and again, it becomes so easy for you. You don't have to really learn the whole video. You keep seeing things flashing before you every now and then, and that's the best way for you to learn. All the best with your Tamil learning.